Yo, you don't have to beg me. You don't have to beg me.
Hey, go, man. You want to do some circuit racing?
Yeah, yo, if you want to do circuit racing, please do Nürburgring. Please do Nürburgring.
I'm not sure if my
Hey, you're a mod. You don't call us shots.
all right, relax.
How about this? How about this track? With
This track is
S-Class.
fucking tiny. This track is nothing, dude. Really?
Hey, dude, I just want to make sure that none of your speed mods interfere with anybody's enjoyment.
I don't have nothing modded.
His grip mod.
Yeah, see? Anybody already knows, man.
Alright, so you wanna do circuit racing? You wanna do circuit racing?
Yeah. That's the whole purpose of me switching over.
I got you, dude. I got you.
You got me?
Hey,
you got me with your
why
grip
did you
mods?
leave? Why'd you leave in the last race?
No, I did leave, but you guys invited me back. So.
Why did you leave?
Because I'm going to use this car. Fuck! What you said it to?
One question, how'd you...
S-Class.
How'd
Really,
you put 28s on your Datsun?
Fucking S-Class is garbage.
Dude, look at the fucking title of the lobby, dude. You just changed it to Mine's My Goat.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't ever know, bitch.
Dude, he just changed it. I synced it.
Dude, yo. If I think you're insane, cut me some slack.
Oh, so you didn't really mean to put Mine's My Goat. You meant to put, like, Mine's by somebody else?
I don't have no money. What don't you fucking understand about that, bitch?
Radio, man.
Yo, fuck you guys. I'm about to go get another beer right now. Fuck you.
Your modded beer?
Don't run into me. I'm getting a beer. Don't run into me. I'm getting a beer.
Bob L. can.
Dude, how can you just change the title of the race like that? That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Some serious modding
God.
going on in here.
Damn, dude.
Oh, that was funny.
Go, dude. Give me the golden ticket. I want the mods.
Yeah.
He's back.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Ow!
Oh, hell, the mod.
This twist up shit is shit, man. Fuck.
Hey, dude,
You modded in front of me. What the fuck, dude?
It's not mine. Where y'all going? Come back here.
Mods, look at that. Look at that, mod.
Oh, alright. Alright. I'm gonna wait right here at the finish line.
So you can mod the winner and give us CR.
Alright, you know what? Let's see who gets the best fucking lap. Let's see who gets the best lap.
Somebody just modded their car into me. I don't appreciate that.
You turn the shit off and shit. God damn it.
What are you talking about, sir? Oh, you turned your mods off now? Finally?
Alright. You know what? I can tell you that I've had this game since I and
We've already been through this. You told us that you pre-modded it. So, how did you mod the game title?
I have no mods, dude.
Serious modding.
Dude, I've never seen it before, man. an
Get out of the
aimbot?
way. Get out of the way.
Hey, Goat, you got wall hacks, man?
Huh?
You got wall hacks for Forza?
I got what?
You got wall
Yeah,
hacks.
rapid fire
What?
one.
Get out of here, bitch! God damn it! Yeah, what? What? Yeah!
Oh, he's
yeah.
modding you with his
That's
fucking
right.
Renault.
That's right. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere, bitch!
I think he has
Get that shit out of here!
he has
Yeah,
a heavy
yeah.
brick mod for his Renault, so you can't get past him.
Hey, how is it that the computers in your car club, young soldier?
I'm telling you, he modded it, dude. I don't know.
It's not modded! It's not fucking modded!
And they're all what's it called, leaders.
dude.
And they're all leaders.
I don't know, dude. He modded it somehow.
Dude, I finished like 14. I just finished like 14.
Because you like
Not modded, dude.
you rewinded at the race.
What?
We all know that you press rewind. You
Yeah.
press the back button, dude.
Why don't you put it on a fucking real track, dude?
Yep.
That is a real track. It's in fucking Japan. Or
He's gone. Oh, no, he's not. Yeah, he is. No.
no, he didn't leave because it's so mine's by gold up there.
Alright. Guess what? You guys are fucking awesome, dude. I fucking love you guys.
Look, he even gave me his Ferrari 599 GTO.
On this track? Fuck no.
You just gave me it. You gave me your car, dude. You're my car. No wonder why I fucking came in second.
Bitch, I will use my Jeep to beat you. I will use my Jeep.
Oh, your modded heavy brick Jeep?
That's right.
Oh my god. Then let me pull out something that'll try to outrun it.
Oh, fuck, dude, what track are we running?
Running the track.
What do you mean? Fuck no. Fuck you guys. I'm out of here.
No, you staying your ass in here. Oh,
Yeah,
you
he's done.
you fucking left.
We'll be back in a second.
Hey, everybody, send them invites. Mods by Go.
Alright.
Oh, this shit's funny. It's funny.
Look, he somehow changed it. See? He changed it!